ब्रो क्या कर रहा है?
ब्रो मैं ऑटो ढूंढ रहा हूँ. 7 दिन से घर नहीं गया हूँ मैं.
Hold the camera towards me.
Oh yeah.
Hey guys, today we're making a video on average expenses in Bangalore. We'll be finding out on an average how much do people spend. So in case you're coming to Bangalore and you're figuring out, you know, how much your rent will be, how much your food expenses will be, this will be a good video for that. Do you invest?
I do invest. I invest a lot of time in myself, and time is money. So yeah, I invest in myself. Actually,
Suti, how much rent do you pay?
17K.
17,000 rupees. Avril, how much rent do you pay?
17K.
You both live in the same house?
Yes, we are roomies.
Roomies. Do you think it's expensive?
Oh, it's hella expensive.
You're from Goa, no?
Yeah.
Is it cheaper in Goa?
I have a house in Goa where I don't pay rent.
So, do you eat food?
What do you mean? Yeah, I eat food.
How much do you spend on food every month?
Oh, easily 10 to 15. Maybe even more than that.
We have Vishal Sivakumar with us, our amazing social media manager. How long has it been since you moved to Bangalore?
I moved to Bangalore around September.
And you moved from Goa as well.
I moved from Goa as well. I was in Goa. I was working in
Do you like it?
Bangalore.
Yeah?
It's fine. It's not bad. It's a good city. Okay. There are better cities. I grew up in Bombay. I like Bombay better. Personal preference.
So Vishal has been doing stand-up. And do you find any difference after moving to Bangalore? Like, have you been getting more gigs?
Bangalore stage time is great. Comedy scene is nice and all. All of that is nice. Good.
Great.
That way it's good.
What
Better
about
better than Goa?
transport in Bangalore?
Oh, dude, don't get me started. I get angry every day on the transport, dude. It's like the worst thing. Because the thing is, I come from Bombay and like auto is like very easy there. You just have to stop anyone and then they all put meter because they have a meter and they use it. In Bangalore, every auto has a meter and then they don't use it. Why do they have it? Sell it, make some money at least.
How was your house hunting journey?
Not that great,
What
to be
happened?
honest. We couldn't find a lot of houses. Like, we couldn't find that many leads, and for a good amount of time we were kind of homeless. But after that we did find a good house, so all good after that.
What about you?
I fell down, dude.
You fell down. A second cameraman just fell down.
I was trying to take another angle because you were in the camera frame. I just fell down.
We also have a homeless person in the office. He doesn't pay rent for his house. He just sleeps in the office. Bro, what's your credit card CVV?
420.
420?
Yeah.
420.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
They just keep it there, and auto meters have like don't touch me written on it, and they don't touch it, dude. It's for the customer, dude. It's not for you. I don't know why they don't understand this not using meter thing.
Chandan, how much rent do you pay?
I stay rent free in your mind.
We also have another member in our team, Shania. How much rent do you pay?
I don't pay rent. I just cash Chandan's.
He doesn't pay rent either, bro.
If someone is moving to Bangalore, how do you suggest them to find houses? Because it's hard.
Brokers or apps, housing.com, no broker, but it'll take time. It'll take like 4 weeks, 8 weeks.
Okay.
But referrals, Twitter groups, Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups,
Trans, where do you spend most of your money?
rent,
After rent?
food.
How much do you spend on food?
I think like 5-7K a month. We have a maid, we got a cook, sorry.
Is it less because you're a vegetarian?
Yeah, for sure.
Akshat, do you invest?
Is this going on YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I do invest. I invest very safely, and investment is not like a gambling short-term game. I invest in long-term. I invest in future. So that's why I have all the blue chip stocks on my list.
हाँ फिल्म हो गया है.
Bro, I invested in Brightcom, bro. I'm broke these days, so.
They charge like some random bizarre number just to go for like 1 kilometer. Like if I want to go there, they have like some and stuff like that, which is too crazy.
We have Sharif with us. He works as a product manager with us. Sharif has been living in Bangalore for quite some time. How much? 12 years.
Yep.
How much rent do you pay?
No rent. I live with my parents, so.
Zero rent.
Yes.
And how do you come to office?
Bike, man.
And oh, then you have petrol costs.
Oh, it's a lot actually. I have to spend easily 2 to 3K.
2 to 3,000 a month
Easily
on petrol.
That is just if I'm traveling to office. If I plan some road trips and all, then it's gonna go even more, a little more above that. It's gonna easily cross 5 or 6K.
5-6K a month.
Yeah.
Okay. And do you invest?
Yes, I do invest in SIPs.
Okay. And what's your UPI PIN?
PIN ID?
Yeah.
Come on, bro.
Shania has been living in Bangalore for a couple of years. How many years have you been living for?
I'm 18 years old and I've lived in Bangalore for 18 years.
18 years.
18.
What do you like about Bangalore?
The weather, obviously. I think everybody says that. Anybody who comes to Bangalore, the weather, ouch. I just got hit on. I didn't get hit on, I just got hit by a ball. Bangalore, I love the people. I think I love the people. And
What do you hate about Bangalore?
What do I hate about Bangalore?
Why did you look at Vineet?
Me, I don't hate him. He's my brother. He's like my real brother. And he speaks Konkani. And I speak Konkani.
You speak Konkani?
Except he speaks completely different Konkani. Do you want to say something? Do you want to say something in Konkani? Like a son. Ajal. I will speak Konkani too. We're all Konkani siblings now. What's it called? He said Konkani Kari. Konkani, except he speaks a completely different Konkani.
That's Gujarati, bro.
That's like a different. He speaks German actually. I just call it a different Konkani. He's Goan Konkani, I'm Mangalorean Konkani.
Yes, they have like a freelancer attitude. They have like, I don't want to work now. I want to work like 2 to 4 p.m. I don't want to take this client. Why are you riding an auto? And the thing is, they'll never understand the pain point because they don't have to book an auto on Namayati or Rapido or like Ola or Uber or like they don't have that 417 apps that I have on my phone just like getting cancelled and rejected. This cancel culture is started by these auto wallahs only, dude, in Bangalore.
So
they
Vishal,
have so much.
Vishal comes from a very far place. He comes from Indranagar to HSR. That's why I can see the frustration in his face.
Yeah. It's like 12 kilometers I travel up down every day. Apart from which I go to Mike's and then I have to go home and stuff. So I need this transport thing sorted. And then, yeah, thanks man. I needed it.
Sai found a new house in Bangalore. How much rent do you pay, Sai?
I pay 25K for 2 BHK. So me and my friend live there.
So you guys share the rent. It's in HSR. He lives very close to office.
Yeah, it's 400 meters from office.
Do you like your house?
Yeah.
Nice. What's like? Is it hard to find a house in HSR?
Not really. If you have good brokers, then you will get good flats in HSR.
You went through brokers.
Yeah.
How did you find contacts of brokers?
You have to roam around different places. You have to ask different security guards in the society and all. Else, you need contacts. You can search in the Google. You can search in No Broker or Housing.com.
Okay. Thank you, bro. Bro, क्या कर रहा है?
ब्रो मैं ऑटो ढूंढ रहा हूँ 7 दिन से घर नहीं गया हूँ मैं यहीं बैठा हुआ हूँ मैं What the fuck bro, I actually found one. Sorry.